Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to say to everyone, thanks for watching so much. Thanks for all my supporters. Go join the Discord if you want to, and enjoy. This actually took me quite a while, so I love you all.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, bro. Hey, yo. Can you sing the driving in my car right after a beer? Hey, that pump is shaped like a deer. DUI, oh, about to die. I'll go 100 miles an hour. Little do you know, I filled up on gas. I'm a kill, yo, found to make an ass. Pulverize. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Bro, can you do me a favor? Can you sing the... Can you sing the...
Please.
Driving in my car right after a beer. Just stop shooting people, bro. Can you sing Driving in my car?
Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that lump is shaped like a deer.
DUI. Oh, well, thanks, man. How about you die? That's yours,
I'll
man.
sing it. I'll pop Green Barrel.
Sing it then. Sing it then. Yeah, go ahead, bro. I'll show you.
DUI right after a beer. Hey, there is that.
Yeah, nice one, bro. Alright, sing it. Sing it. Sing the song.
Sing what?
Driving in my car right after a beer. Yeah, fair enough. Valid. Yeah, no 6-7.
Camels!
Driving in my car right after a beer.